In this video, I'm going to show you a Claude Code SEO workflow that I've been using a lot lately that takes a YouTube video URL and in one shot turns that into an SEO optimized blog post that looks exactly like this in about 60 seconds. And it posted directly to my website via MCP versus copying and pasting back and forth and whatnot. So I'm going to show you how I set this up in this video, and I'm also going to tell you how you can get this SEO skill for free. So be sure to stick around until the very end. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan. I appreciate you being here. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools, automations, and Claude Code skills, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for that in the video description or pinned comment below. And speaking of Claude Code skills, this is exactly where you can get the SEO blog post writer skill that I'm going to show you in this video. Simply get my free guide by clicking the link below and then scroll down to my Claude Code skills, and then you can download my SEO skill right here. So now I'm going to show you exactly how I set this all up. So first of all, if you've never used Claude Code, I'd recommend watching my beginner's guide in the video description below. I'm also using the Claude Code extension within VS Code for this tutorial. That's just my preferred Claude Code setup. You can use another IDE like Cursor, Anti-Gravity, or you can access Claude Code through the terminal. So I wanted to call that out first. So when it comes to this Claude Code SEO workflow, there are some prerequisites and setup tips that you need to know about first. Number one, I'm using a Claude Max plan paying $100 a month. You can test this out on a Claude Pro plan. I think that's still $17 a month, but at scale, that is not going to be enough usage just from my experience. So I'd recommend using Claude Max. The second prerequisite is you need some sort of Claude skill that can create SEO optimized content for these blog posts. Mine's called the SEO blog post writer skill. And as I told you earlier, you can get this for free in my free AI marketing guide, but don't just come in here and copy my skill verbatim. Use this and expect to get these perfect outputs, because you have to understand that this skill is trained on my writing style, my tone, my SEO best practices, rules, etc., right? There's all these different things in here that won't apply to you. So I'd recommend repurposing that if you do use this skill, or you can create a new SEO skill from scratch. So that's the second prerequisite. Something else you need is an MCP connection with your website. And I'm using WordPress in this example on a domain called ryandozer.com. I've owned this domain for a while, but only a few months ago did I realize, why don't I just start using this website to test things related to AI, SEO, Claude Code, etc., like I'm showing you here as an example, as this domain literally has zero backlink profile, zero authority, so I figured it's a perfect testing ground. And when it comes to connecting WordPress via MCP to Claude Code, I installed a plugin here in this instance called AI Engine MCP for WordPress. I'll leave that in the video description below if you're using a WordPress site and want to try this. Now, if you're using WordPress, I'm sure there are other ways to connect to Claude Code via MCP. And if you're not using WordPress, like a different CMS or website provider, I would just do some research on MCP connections to Claude Code, as I'm almost certain that those are available out there online, or you can simply ask Claude Code just to help you with that. In addition to connecting my WordPress site to Claude Code via MCP, another prerequisite is I have a tool called Blotato. I mentioned Blotato several times on this channel. They're one of my favorite AI marketing tools that I use daily to help automate my social media. But one feature that was added recently is the ability to scrape YouTube video transcripts. And with Blotato, in order to do this, I should mention first that you need to be on a paid plan, but they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So maybe just try this out for $29. And if you don't like it, you can obviously cancel it. And so once you're on a paid plan with Blotato, you can log into the back end of your dashboard, click Settings, click API, and there is now an MCP integration for Blotato with Claude Code and Claude Cowork. I'm not going to show you how to set it up in this video. I'm going to make a dedicated video with Blotato and Claude Code at some point in the near future, but you would essentially copy this setup command. You would come into Claude Code, and then you would just chat with it and say, add this MCP integration with Blotato, and then you would follow those steps from there. It's actually very self-explanatory, but those are just some prerequisites that you have to understand here is you need an MCP connection with your website provider or CMS, like WordPress in my example, and then you also need to use a tool like Blotato that scrapes YouTube video transcripts. Now, you don't have to use Blotato. There are other scrapers out there with platforms like Apify, for instance, but you have to have some sort of tool that can scrape YouTube video transcripts. And also just some setup tips within Claude Code before I run this SEO workflow. So if you click the slash icon right here, I'd recommend switching your model to Sonnet 4.6. I think Opus 4.6 is not only overkill for this instance, but you'll also run out of usage very quickly. I don't like Haiku in terms of output quality, so Sonnet 4.6 is good enough for this workflow. I would also recommend toggling off extended thinking mode if you haven't done that already. That'll just eat up a ton of tokens and usage, and that is overkill for this workflow. Now, something else I'd recommend that you do is on the left-hand side, I'll zoom in so you can see this better, is I have a folder called Blog Post Archives. So right here, I have Blog Post Archives, where every time I'm creating a blog post within Claude Code, it's not only going directly to my WordPress site via that MCP connection, I'm also saving a file locally just so I can have that for reference. And then I can also use that to train my SEO blog post writer skill and give it an instant feedback loop every time I'm running this workflow. So those are just a few quick settings here, but now let's actually do this in action. So I have a prompt here ready to go in Claude Code, and I will leave this in the video description below. And the very first thing that we need for this to work is to provide a YouTube video URL that I want to repurpose into an SEO optimized blog post on my website. So if I pull up my YouTube channel here, one that I'm just going to do, and by the way, I'm going to go to my website to make sure that I don't write any duplicate content, but I don't think that I have an article for this yet. So I'll leave this in the description below if you guys want to check out some of my previous articles using this method. But I'm going to go ahead and do one of these down here, like custom GPTs versus chat GPT projects, right? That's not a bad keyword. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually click on the video, and then I'm going to copy the URL from here. So I'm going to click copy. Let's minimize the window, paste that right here. And now what I need to do, and you don't have to do this, but I would recommend adding more context like this to get a better result by providing a target keyword and possibly secondary keywords. So the target keyword in this instance is ChatGPT projects versus custom GPTs. And so some secondary keywords would be ChatGPT projects versus GPTs, right? Custom GPTs versus ChatGPT projects. Maybe it'd be like projects versus GPTs, et cetera, right? I'm not going to add more than that for now. And then I can also, give it a title where I can have Claude Code maybe come up with the blog post title like I've done in the past. But sometimes I just want to give it the title, right? It just makes more sense to do that. And so I'm going to copy and paste my YouTube title here. Let's go back to Claude Code and then paste that right here. Custom GPTs versus chat GPTs projects. Here's what you should use. So I'm just going to do that for now. I can always come back and change this within WordPress. And I also want to make sure I'm on Sonnet. Extended thinking mode is toggled off. And what I would do for this, if I were to actually do this in production right now, I would have my bypass permissions on. I'll leave a link to that tutorial in the video description below if you're not familiar with that. But I would just recommend leaving on edit automatically or ask before edits when you're doing this for the first time. So I'm going to turn edit automatically on. I'm going to click enter, and then I'm going to skip ahead and wait till this is complete. All right, so after a few minutes, Claude Code successfully created this blog post. And I first want to check that it saved the file locally before I go to WordPress. So in blog post archives, let's look for, here it is, ChatGPT projects versus custom GPT. So it did save that blog post locally. So I wanted to make sure that that was done first. Now let's pull up my WordPress site to make sure that this worked correctly. So here it is. If I click drafts, refresh the page, here is that blog post that it directly uploaded via MCP right to WordPress. So if I click preview, we can get a quick glance of what this blog post looks like. And by the way, I should say that you can direct Claude Code to directly publish straight to WordPress if you want, although I would not recommend doing that, especially the first time setting this up. You want to save it as a draft. That way you can come in and make edits and updates to the skill file moving forward, as having that human in the loop is very important for these types of things. And so this is the blog post. Now you might be wondering, well, Ryan, how did you get it to look like this from just that one YouTube video URL with, a few other inputs with target keywords and titles, etc.? This is the magic of having that Claude Skill SEO blog post writer markdown file. All of these instructions have to do with header hierarchy, word count, keyword density, images, right? Internal links, external links, etc. And so if we look at this blog post here, and you might be thinking, Ryan, I've seen this a million times where you can repurpose YouTube videos to blog posts using AI. What makes this method different with Claude Code? Well, let's just look at the quality here really quickly, and then I'm going to show you a few real-world results from just testing this within the first few weeks. So number one, I have target keyword in the first sentence. I have target keyword in the first H2. It automatically embedded the YouTube video right here in the blog post based on that skill markdown file. I didn't even have to go do that manually. And that's a big deal when you're trying to promote different YouTube videos, is having them embedded right inside that blog post. The other cool thing about this is I have it automatically fetch relevant external links that open into a new tab. So it found one on the GPT store. There's probably some other ones. Here's another GPT store link. That's a projects link, right? So it has various external links that are very relevant. I also have some links here about my free AI marketing essentials guide that I want in every blog post. But here's where this gets next level. So what I have it do is there's an AI agent, or Claude Code is using an AI agent to not only watch that video, but find the timestamps, find the relevant points in those timestamps, take screenshots of the YouTube video of me talking right here. You'll see I'm talking about a ChatGPT project in this example. So it took a screenshot, resized that or compressed it, gave it a title, gave it optimized alt text, uploaded that to WordPress, and then placed this image right inside the blog post where it thought it made the most sense. And I also have another one here where I'm talking about custom GPT. So I have it set up to do about 2 to 3 screenshots per blog post, as I don't really want to go overkill with much more than that. It's not going to move the needle per se. And so that's a really cool feature right here, right? And also another added feature is it's not published yet, but when I publish this blog post, what it also does is it takes that YouTube video thumbnail. So if we go to the one in this example where it says GPTs or projects, it would extract that YouTube video thumbnail and then place that as the featured image of this blog post without me having to do any work whatsoever. So this is just such a mind-blowing workflow to me, especially as I start to see these rank and get some results here from the get-go. But this is just truly a scalable SEO workflow with Claude Code. And if we go back to WordPress quickly and actually go inside the blog post, something else that I have it instructed to do too is, by default, I have it instructed to create an optimized permalink with that target keyword right there. That's just an SEO best practice. I also have it designed to choose the category. So if I scroll down, you'll see here that this is selected ChatGPT because Claude Code knew that my article was about ChatGPT. So it automatically selected that category without me having to do any extra work. And like I mentioned here, here's the featured image that was extracted from the YouTube video thumbnail. Another great part here is it automatically adds a meta description, an optimized meta description based on that target keyword. It automatically places the title right here, and then it also automatically places that target keyword. Now, you don't have to use Yoast SEO. You can use Rank Math or whatever you want here. But the point is, Claude Code is automatically coming in here and dialing all of this in without me having to do any manual work. I also have it set to make sure that I have the right author in place as well. So let's go ahead. I'm actually going to change this really quickly here. I'm just going to do title as the variable, and then I'm going to go ahead and click publish. Now, I also have it set up, and I'm not going to go through this in this example, where I have it automatically index with Bing Webmaster Tools and Yandex. Unfortunately, I tried to do a lot of research on this, but you can't automatically index, or maybe you can. I just need to figure it out eventually within Google Search Console. And so obviously what you would do is, let's go take this blog post once it's published. Here is that brand new published blog post. I'm going to take that URL, paste it into Google Search Console, and quickly request indexing just like that. So that right there, in a nutshell, is how you can quickly repurpose YouTube videos into SEO-optimized blog posts using Claude Code. Now, you might think, well, Ryan, this is all cool and whatnot, but are things actually ranking? Is this getting results? And for full transparency, I just started doing this probably a week or two ago, as I only have like maybe 10-ish blog posts on my website. But let's actually test some of these right now to see what's happening. And I know some of these keywords aren't huge with a ton of search volume or competition, but I just want to show you what this could look like. So let's look at this one, right? And by the way, if you're testing Google search results and rankings, always use an incognito window. So I'm going to type in Claude Code productivity hack. I know that's not a huge keyword per se, but I just want to make sure that my blog posts are actually ranking for this. If I could type in productivity, so Claude Code Pro, look at that, I'm ranking 1. And I just published that this morning. Again, it's not a super competitive keyword, I understand that, but the fact that this blog post is ranking 1 with 0 backlink profile, 0 authority, tells me that this could have potential to work for higher competitive and higher volume keywords. Now, some other ones I just did, like Nano Banana, I did a video on Nano Banana 2 and Claude Code. We could see what this looks like. So that's great to see, right? My YouTube video is ranking on the top one of the SERPs here. But if I scroll down, middle of page 1, here's ryandozer.com. How to use Nano Banana 2 in Claude Code. That is what I did with this SEO workflow in Claude Code by repurposing that YouTube video into a blog post that looks exactly like this. And maybe there's another one we can look at, maybe automate infographics or how to clone a YouTube channel with AI. So let's just do automate infographics. Let's see what happens here. So if I scroll down, looks like my website's not here, but my YouTube video is. If we do how to automate infographics, maybe, yeah, right there, I'm ranking 1, right? So maybe we'll do how to clone a YouTube channel with AI. And then let's see what this looks like. So here's my YouTube video, and right there is my website ranking right under my YouTube video, right below the discussions and forums part of the SERP. So again, the thing that really blows me away about this is that this website has 0 backlink profile and 0 authority, and it's already ranking high in a matter of a day or two for these blog posts that I'm repurposing from YouTube videos. So I hope you guys are starting to see the potential here of what I'm cooking up in the background with this. And as I keep dialing in this SEO workflow with Claude Code, my goal here is to actually test this on some money sites that I run for various clients. And so you might be thinking, well, Ryan, like, yeah, that's ryandozer.com. How do you have any SEO experience if that's the only thing that you're doing? And I'm going to blur out this website for obvious reasons here, but this is one of my biggest clients that I help manage SEO for, right? And so you'll see here in the past 12 months, and we're using a ton of AI content on this site, by the way, past 12 months, we're getting over 16 million clicks, 321 million impressions, and it's actually on the up and up. And this is big boy SEO, right? I'm not working with some small site, some small niche site. I'm dealing with competitive keywords here. I'm dealing with big players, and I'm dealing with a site that gets between 50 to 100,000 hits a day, mostly from organic traffic. So I just wanted to prove to you that I'm actually in the arena of SEO, and I'm not just throwing out this pie in the sky Claude Code SEO workflow claiming that it's a silver bullet. So I wanted to make sure that you guys fully understand where I'm coming from. And so if you've made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. I hope you found a lot of value from this. And again, if you want this SEO blog post writer skill, I'd recommend repurposing it into your own style. But if you want that skill, you can get my free AI marketing essentials guide, which I'll leave in the video description or pinned comment below. And also be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you found this type of content helpful. Also leave me a comment below, as I love to hear your guys' thoughts as it pertains to Claude Code. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.